Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa has once again set the political scene buzzing after releasing two cryptic but powerful statements, messages many analysts believe are clearer signals of his imminent political comeback, this time riding on a massive youth-driven movement. In his first message, Chamisa declared that the young will serve Zimbabwe, describing the country's youth as a giant force, energetic, creative, and resilient. He said that when young people lead with unity and vision, change becomes inevitable. This is being widely interpreted as the clearest hint yet that Chamisa's next political formation will place young people at its center, potentially reshaping Zimbabwe's political landscape. He went further, expressing hope for what he called a stronger, more prosperous new Great Zimbabwe, a phrase that has now become a signature theme in his messaging. In a second statement titled Resetting, Chamisa reflected on the political battles he has faced in recent years, suggesting that everything he has gone through is part of a bigger purpose. He told his supporters to expect him renewed, refreshed, revived, and fired up, words that many see as a bold declaration that he is preparing for a full-force return to the national stage. Across social media, supporters are already interpreting this as confirmation that Chamisa's next move will be bigger, more structured, and heavily anchored in the country's youthful majority, a demographic that has long carried his political brand. With Zimbabwe's 2028 elections on the horizon, Chamisa's latest statement strongly suggests that his new political outfit, yet to be unveiled, may be strategically designed to mobilize, empower, and activate young voters like never before. For now, he remains silent on the exact details, but his message is loud. He's coming back stronger, rebuilt, and ready to rally the youth to serve Zimbabwe. Let's get to hear what you think about all this.